Everyone has seen statues of the Greek gods, and who wouldn't want a body to match? The majority of men, on the other hand, want to have it all. They want to be strong, muscular, ripped, and healthy. The trouble is that they don't know how to work successfully toward all of these goals at the same time, so they wind up falling short on all of them. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to attain all 4 goals, including developing the Greek god body. Welcome to The Amazing Facts. Stay tuned. How to build a Greek god's physique. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Do you know what characterizes the Greek god physique? The Greeks had a good understanding of what it takes to have a strong and attractive body. Take a look at the drawings and statues that the Greeks have produced to represent their gods. Their gods were shown as having well-proportioned, powerful, and muscular bodies with a strong V-shaped chest, sculpted shoulders, noticeable square pecs, rock-hard arms, a taut waist, and slim and fit-looking legs. There are various reasons why the Greek god body is the ideal aim for males who want to grow strong, muscular, ripped, and healthy in addition to looking fantastic. These are the reasons. 1. The golden ratio. 2. Aesthetic proportions are achieved by increasing relative strength on key exercises. 3. All you need to do now is get lean, not shredded. While discussing the first reason, according to women and most men, the ideal male body is one that is as near to the golden ratio as feasible. And pursuing the Greek god body will aid you in achieving this ratio. When a man's shoulders are 1.6 times his waist, he has reached the golden ratio. In truth, the 1:1.618 ratio is an old mathematical concept that regulates a number of natural phenomena. Laws governing the human body's form and proportion, as well as plant growth patterns. One of the cornerstones to the human sense of beauty and attractiveness is the golden ratio. In the second major reason, when it comes to creating the Greek god physique, the greatest thing you can do is focus on relative strength on a few essential exercises. Forget about chasing the pump by performing 20 different workouts with high repetitions. Getting tremendously strong compared to your body weight inside the 4 to 10 rep range on a few key exercises is what promotes attractive proportions more efficiently than anything else. Not only will being stronger help you look better, but it will also be enjoyable and beneficial to your health. While discussing the third reason, the Greek god physique promotes strength, health, and well-being, mainly because you don't need to get bodybuilding shredded at 4 to 6% body fat. No, the Greek god figure will appear at roughly 8% to 10% body fat if you've built up a decent amount of muscle via growing stronger. Because it's so near to critical body fat levels, being shredded at 4 to 6% body fat isn't sustainable. Insatiable hunger, poor sex desire, stress, strength loss, and other indications of ill health are common in persons who attain such low body fat percentages organically. On the other hand, the Greek god's ideal of 8 to 10% body fat is a fairly maintainable amount of body fat if accomplished appropriately. Males who are well trained and have reached a healthy body fat percentage of 10 are among the healthiest on the globe. In a minute, we'll look at how to get to 8-10% body fat in the appropriate manner. How to build the Greek god physique in 3 steps. Step 1. Start your Greek god aesthetics training. When it comes to building the Greek god physique, getting your training set up correctly is definitely the most important aspect of your fitness plan. Once that is covered, then you will dial in your diet to sculpt out the physique of a true god. Training objectives for building relative strength. Okay, so in order to quickly and effectively build relative strength with the goal to build the Greek god physique, you are going to have the following objectives. Focus on a few key exercises. Train in the 4 to 10 rep range. Focus on progressive overload. Train 3 times per week. Major key exercises are leg press for thighs, twisting trunk curl for waist, standing calf raises for calves, full squat for buttocks, wrist roll for forearms, bench press for chest, incline biceps dumbbell curl for biceps, 4-way neck machine for neck. These exercises are formulated by Wayne Westcott, PhD, Fitness Research Director at the South Shore YMCA outside of Boston. These exercises are for the home or gym and are a great way to start. Step 2. Adjust your diet to achieve Greek god aesthetics. Even though the training is very important as it lays the foundation for how you will eventually look, your diet is the thing that will reveal your aesthetics. I like to view training as being the map or plan to your project, and diet as the thing that sculpts you into a Greek god. To build the Greek god physique, here are your dieting objectives. Decide if you need to focus on fat loss or muscle gain first. Eat enough protein. Make your diet sustainable and enjoyable. Step 3. Track and measure your progress. After you've gotten your training and nutrition down pat, it's time to start tracking and measuring your progress to make sure you're on the right route to achieving the Greek god physique. You see, if you want to be successful in the long run, you must measure and track your development, and do so regularly over time. There are 3 measurements that you should take on a regular basis to ensure that you are on the right track. Your body weight, your body fat percentage, your strength in the gym. Your objective in the gym should always be to attempt to enhance your strength over time. Remember that as your relative strength increases, so does your physique. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest notifications.